Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Lyall Public School and we are here with class 8 chapter number 2, Battling Boats. Battling Boats is a chapter in which there's a small instance which is based in Kerala, and it is an event of the boat races. There's a very popular event in Kerala of the boat races in which the villagers, the people from outside go there and see those boat races in which people decorate their boats very beautifully, and there's a race of those boats. And this is basically done during the time of Onam, which is the harvest festival of Kerala. Okay, so the whole story is about Kuttan, Sukumaran, and his brother, Kuttan's brother. So we are going to start with the story. Here it is. That's the last fish sold. Come on, Sukumaran, let's go, said Kuttan, picking up his half-empty basket. So Kuttan is speaking here and he's saying that this was the last fish sold. This is the last thing I'm doing. Now, Sukumaran, come, let's go. Kuttan said this while picking up his half-empty basket. So this half-empty basket clearly indicates that there was more work which was supposed to be done, but Kuttan has not done it. Kuttan ने जो है वो वहां पर काम नहीं किया है, जबकि उसके पास और भी काम करने को था, but he did not do it. He's just moving out from there. Why? We'll get to know now. But there are a dozen coconuts left, protested Sukumaran. Sukumaran is not agreeing with Kuttan and he's saying, but there are so many coconuts which are left to be sold. Okay? Kuttan is like, I don't care. Today, I won't sit here till the last coconut is sold. I'm too excited. Kuttan is like that. I'm not going to sit here today for selling all these coconuts. I'm very much excited and I cannot wait anymore. So Kumaran looked at his friend a little enviously. How lucky you are to be rowing the boat race tomorrow. Imagine you'll be famous, the youngest. Okay, Sukumaran is looking at his friend. So here we come to know that Sukumaran and Kuttan are not brothers but friends. Okay, he's saying that he looks at him enviously. A little enviously means with a tint of jealousy. He is very happy and impressed with the fact that Kuttan is doing so well in life, and he's a bit envious. Yeah, he's doing so good. Why is not nothing good is happening with me? That kind of a very healthy jealousy. And he's saying that imagine you'll be famous, you'll be in the boat race tomorrow, you'll be the youngest one and all those things. But Kuttan is in no mood of listening anything. He just runs away from there. Kuttan was already stepping into his dugout cannon, which was strung together with coil ropes. Okay. While Sukumaran was talking, Kuttan was already into the boat, ready to go from there. Okay, dugout cannon is basically a small narrow boat which is made by cutting the inside of a trunk. Okay, there's this trunk thing, usko beech mein se khali kar dete hain, and a boat is made out of that. The two boys paddled away from the marketplace where fisherwomen in gaily covered saris balanced fish baskets on their heads as they shouted out the prices of dried and freshwater fish, coconut, and sea fish. Okay, so they are paddling. Paddling means rowing the boat here. Okay, so they are paddling away from the marketplace where the fisherwomen in gaily, very happy color, very bright colored saris are balancing fish baskets on their head, and they're shouting the price of everything and trying to sell everything there. The backwaters are so crowded today, exclaimed Sukumaran. Everyone's come for the race. So Sukumaran is exclaiming that the backwaters, the lakes nearby, are so much crowded today. There are so many people who are standing there, and everybody is here for the races. There's no other reason they are here for. कोई और रीजन नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. उनको बस क्या देखनी है, जो नेक्स्ट डे रेस होने वाली है, the boat races, that they have to see. Then the crowd began to thin out. Which boat do you think will win tomorrow? Shouted Sukumaran, turning his head back to Kuttan. Sat in the rear of the boat, Karichal 1 or Karichal 2. Then suddenly it's evening and the crowd has started moving out. The thin out means here to disperse. जो crowd है वो disperse होना शुरू हो गया है. Then Sukumaran is suddenly asking Kuttan that what do you think which boat is going to win, Karichal 1 or Karichal 2? ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट डे दो इंपॉर्टेंट बोट्स के नाम हमको यहाँ पे पता चलते हैं. एक है करिचल 1 और दूसरा है करिचल 2. एंड Sukumaran is asking Kuttan that what do you think which is going to win? Karichal 1 will win the trophy, Kuttan replied confidently. Kuttan is very much confident in what he's saying, and he's like, Karichal 1 is only going to win. Is it true, Kuttan? The whole village is saying that Karnoon Neelkantha Pillai is going to sell one of his two boats. Sukumaran asked. Now, Sukumaran is asking Kuttan something, and that is कि मतलब जो मैं सुन रहा हूँ क्या वो सच है? There's this person called Karur Neelkantha Pillai. He is going to sell one of his two boats. So he has two boats, and he's going to sell one out of that. Is that true? Yes, it is true. Kuttan signed. He cannot afford to keep both the Karachals anymore. So he said that whichever one loses in the race tomorrow will be sold. So here this Karachal thing is coming out. Ki yes, this fact is true. He is saying that he cannot afford both the Karachals. ठीक है, तो Karachal 1 और Karachal 2 जो है वो दोनों एक ही इंसान की बोट्स है. Both these boats belong to only one person, and the name of that person is Karur Neelkantha Pillai. ठीक है, Karur Neelkantha Pillai is the person who owns both these boats. ठीक है, and he is saying that whichever one loses this race, कल की रेस में जो भी हारेगी वो बेच दी जाएगी. That will be sold. But your father is a wonderful captain of Karachal 1, protested Sukumaran, quite agitated. Now Sukumaran is getting very much irritated, and he's saying that but your father is the captain of Karachal 1 and he's such a great captain. तो Karachal 1 जो है वो कौन चलाता है? कुट्टन के फादर. ठीक है, और सुकुमारन कहता है कि वो तो इतने वंडरफुल कैप्टन है, उनकी बोट ऐसे बेचने की बात क्यों कर सकते हो? ठीक है. Yes, but so is Keshavan's father, who is the captain of Karachal too. Kuttan replied. So Kuttan is very much. I think this is one trait which I would like to appreciate of Kuttan कि उसके father Karachal 1 के captain है, लेकिन उसके साथ में he is also saying that even Keshavan's father, जो कि Karachal 2 के captain है, वो भी बहुत अच्छे से boat चलाते हैं और he is also wonderful captain. ठीक है. Then here one thing that is coming out is of Kuttan's behavior is that he loves his father. He is very confident with this thing that his father is going to win the race, because if he doesn't, they are going to lose the race. Even though knowing the fact that if they don't win the race, the boat might be sold, they might have some employment issues, but still he's very much adapted to this fact that Keshavan's father, who is the captain of Karachal 2, is also a very wonderful captain. ठीक है. They turned into a side canal where there was no traffic or the waters at all. The banks were a riot of colorful flowers. The boys turned into another canal and scenery changed. ठीक है, they were moving and talking this, and suddenly they turned into a side canal. There's a side canal which they took the turn, and there was no traffic in the water at all. Means their boat was the only single boat which was floating there. Banks. The corner is called Banks. This is the river. This is the river, and this particular place. This is the river, and this corners, the road, the land which is in the corner is called the bank of a river. They are called. This is called the banks of the river. So there were a lot of colorful flowers, and then they took another turn, and the scenery completely changed. Till now, that was all dark, and there was this flowers and trees and greenery, and now suddenly they are seeing a setting sun. They are seeing a setting sun. The clouds began to change from white to saffron, then a fiery red, then pink. Slowly, it became shadowy on the canal. So they have seen the sun change its color from point 1 to the end point. That is, the sun was looking white in this point. Suddenly, it is turning to saffron, then into a fiery red. Okay, means a very bright red. Then it turns a bit to pink, and then suddenly it becomes shadow in the canal. Sukumaran looked apprehensively. Sukumaran was getting worried now. He was tension हो रहा था अब. I haven't been here before. We won't get lost, will we? I think it's time we go back. So Sukumaran is like that. I have never been here before. हम घूमेंगे तो नहीं ना, I hope we'll not get lost into here or something. It's time, I think we should go back to Sukumaran is not that much of a daring child, clearly it shows. ठीक है, and Kutan is definitely the opposite from the next dialogue we can see easily. Don't worry. Don't worry, I know this canal very well, replied Kutan. Now Kutan is saying that you don't worry, I know this canal very well. The dugout turned in a corner and Sukumaran gave a gasp of awe. In the fading twilight, they could see the two boats standing side by side at the bank. There they are, Karachal 1 and Karachal 2, Kuchan announced proudly. I helped Achan to decorate Karachal 1 yesterday. I helped Achan to decorate Karachal 1 for tomorrow. So this is what they are saying. He turned and he was actually taking Sukumaran to see the boats, and he's saying that he helped father to decorate it yesterday, so he knows the way very well. They looked identical, don't they? ठीक है, Sukumaran is like they looked identical ना, they look एकदम same, don't they? Kutan is replying, yes, except for the 1 and 2. Kutan said the boys were silent in The boy sat silent for a moment in the shadows of the bank. So Kutan is hearing Sukumaran's doubt that they are exactly identical. उन दोनों में कोई भी फर्क नहीं है. There's only one difference, that on one it is one, the Roman number 1 is written, and on the second one Roman number 2 is written. And their boys were sitting there and they were just looking at the boats. The two boats were a beautiful sight. They were decorated with multicolored silk parasols and gold tassels. Sukumaran looked at the wonderful spiral carved on the two boats in sterns of two churlams with awe and administration. He was about to ask another question when they suddenly heard a loud hammering. Okay, they were sitting there and they were seeing how beautifully the boats were decorated with parasols and tassels and all this beautiful paintings and everything. Okay, parasols are large umbrellas and tassels are these kind of things which keep on hanging. ठीक है, ऐसे लटकन जैसा कुछ होता है, ठीक है, which are generally put in lehengas and everything. They have small ones, this might be larger ones. ठीक है, and then they were talking and they were about to start talk and suddenly they heard a loud hammering. The boys froze, hardly daring to breathe. The boys were so scared that they got froze and they could not even think of breathing at that point of time. The hammering came from Karachal 1. Now the problem was that the hammering was coming from Karachal 1, which is Kuttan's father's boat. Who is it? Whispered Sukumaran. Shh, let's wait and see, said Kuttan, mouthed the words. Okay, Sukumaran is like, who is this? So Kuttan is like, let's just wait and see kaun hai, and then he did not even speak a word. He was just waiting for those people to leave. Suddenly, two fingers stood up in two figures. Suddenly, two figures stood up in the churlam. They looked around cautiously. Then, picking up their lungis, they leapt onto the bank. The clothes fell off from their lantern. Picking it up, they sprinted away into the darkness. And they were just looking at it, trying to figure out ki kaun hai, kaun nahi hai. And then suddenly they saw two figures that stood up from the chullam, which is the boat. Okay? They looked around cautiously, then picking up their lungis, they leapt onto the bank. Those two figures, they were looking here and there cautiously, trying to find out if anybody is looking at them or not. And as soon as they were assured that nobody is looking at them, they just picked up their lungis and they sprinted away. Sprinted away means ran far away. To sprint is to run very fast, like in a race, and they sprinted into the darkness. The cloth also fell from the lantern. They were carrying a lantern, okay, and that cloth. The two friends, Kumaran and Kuttan, stared at one another in amazement. So Kumaran and Kuttan were looking at each other in great amazement. It's Keshwan and his brother, Kutan gasped. Okay, who were those two figures? It was Keshwan, okay, and his brother. Now, who was Keshwan? I guess all of you remember, the son of the pilot of Karichal 2. What were they up to? Sukumaran asked. Sukumaran said, what were they up to? What were they trying to do? I think I know exactly what they were doing. Come on, let's go and see. Kutan paddled grimly up to the bank. Kutan is very clear and very positive with that thing, that he knew what these people were up to. So what he did was he just took up all the things which he need and he went up to the boat. He went to the boat to find out what they were doing here and to confirm his risk. They climbed onto Karichal 1, Kuttan bent low and examined the sides of the boat. Straightening up after a while, he told Sukumaran, it is exactly as I had thought. Keshavan had made a lot of holes in the bottom of the sides of the boat. He had stuffed them with corks so that no one will see till it's too late. So now we know what Keshavan has done. He has made holes in the boat and he has stuffed corks in it with some grease. Okay, so when the boat moves very fast, this grease will allow the cork to move, and with the pressure, the cork will pop out. Okay. What do you mean? Okay. So Kumaran is asking, what do you mean? What are you trying to say? Give me a proper, reason or meaning or whatever it is to whatever you are saying. The sides have been clearly greased, so the corks will pop out. They'll start popping out when the boats go very fast, but then by then we'll be in the middle of the lake. Okay? So what Sukumaran asked that what is the matter, let me know, and Kutan is telling him that they have put this corks, and when the boat goes very fast, at that very point only these corks will start popping out, and that will be the time when the boat will be in the center of the lake. So there will be no giving up now. Either this or that, and possibly not this, that only. ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीजें जो है that might happen, and that is the basic reason why Keshwan has done all those things. What can we do? Whispered Sukumaran, frightened. Now Sukumaran is very much frightened and he's like, what can we do? So Kuttu is replying, let's go home, we'll decide what to do after I tell Achin. ठीक है, तो कुट्टू क्या कह रहा है, कितन क्या कह रहा है, that I'm going home, taking my the food and all to her place. She'll eat and I'll come back. Sorry. And what he's saying that let's go home, then we'll decide what to do. Let's go home, have dinner and all, and tell father, and then we'll decide what to do. The two boys paddled silently home to the coconut grove where they lived. The two boys silently paddled home. Now they're not talking. When they came, they were very much excited to see the boats and everything. But now they're paddling very silently to a coconut grove. Grove is a forest kind of an area where there is no undergrowth. मीन्स आपको सिर्फ बड़े बड़े पेड़ देखेंगे, छोटे छोटे जो पेड़ों के नीचे बुशेस होते हैं ना, वो आपको वहां पर नहीं देखेंगे. ठीक है, एंड दैट वाज द प्लेस वेयर दे लिव्ड. Even though they had discovered the sabotage, was there time to report the damaged boat before the morning race? Okay, they have seen the sabotage, they have seen the very intense damage there. बहुत भयंकर नुकसान जो उन्होंने कर दिया है वो उन्होंने देखे है. लेकिन क्या उनके पास सुबह की रेस से पहले उसको सही करने का टाइम था? Did they have that much time? That is the biggest question. After their evening meal was over, the boys sat swinging on a sheet slung between two coconut trees. ठीक है, after their lunch and all that, they were sitting on a homemade swing. झूला जो है दो कोकोनट ट्रीज के बीच में एक बड़ा सा कपड़ा बांध के उन्होंने एक झूला बनाया हुआ था, उसके ऊपर बैठे थे. वासु कुट्टन's younger brother sat nearby on the rough grass. ठीक है, now we have another character which is Vasu, which is Kuttan's brother. I told you that we'll get to know the name later on. Sat nearly on the rough grass in urgent whispers. Keeping a very eye on Amma, Kuttan told him what they had discovered at Achan's boat. ठीक है, very quietly without letting the mother know, they have told Kuttan has told everything to Vasu. Oh, that's horrible, Keshwan. Oh, that horrible Keshwan. Vasu exclaimed. Now Vasu is very much irritated and angry with what Keshwan has done, and he's like that he's such a horrible person and everything. Shh, speak softly, Kuttan frowned. Kuttan now frowning means he's getting angry on Vasu and saying that shh, speak quite softly. Dheere bolo tum, don't let everyone. We don't want to upset Amma. So he's saying that we do not want that Amma gets upset. The major reason after that was that if whichsoever boat loses, that will have to give up that boat. अगर Karichal 1 हार जाता है तो उनका जो boat है वो बेच दिया जाएगा, and then maybe Achan, who is Kuttan's father, might not have a job to do. ठीक है? As Amma went in, Kuttan suddenly jumped off the swing, tumbling Sukumaran on the ground. I've thought of a plan. It will work. I'm sure it will work. Come on, Hari. Let's go. Excited, he yanked his friend by his hand. Yanking means beating. आप बात करते करते जब ताली देते हो या कंधे ऐसे मार देते हो ना, उसको yanking कहते हैं. तो he's like उसको बोला कि मेरे को एक बहुत बढ़िया आया है, जल्दी चलो, बहुत बढ़िया से वो काम करेगा. And he just jumped off the swing and he's running. He's yanking his brother and just running over there, rubbing his shoulder where it had banged on the hard ground. Sukumaran scowled. It had better be good. ठीक है, so because he jumped and he just threw Sukumaran जो है वो जमीन पे गिर जाता है, and he was rubbing his shoulder which hit the ground, and he's like कि better be good, अच्छा होना भी चाहिए with all you have done to me right now. Rubbing his shoulder where sorry. Okay, I think we'll do it till here only. The next part we are going to take in the next class. I hope it was clear to all. Thank you.